Hello, welcome to the Kyosho booth on the Nuremberg Spielwarenmesse. We'll be happy to show you a few top items we have this year. Of course, this is a wide range. We can focus very quickly on a new kit form neo-retro model, the Ultima Dirtmaster. This is a brand new model that will be released on the market in about a month or two.
Okay.
Two-wheel drive, 110 scale.
So this is for build, so you have to build it by your own, and it's painted, or is it?
It's kit form, clear body shell, so you have to paint the body shell, you have to build the model. It's like we used to do in the old days.
Yeah,
actually.
that's great.
Okay, same to this legendary series. They are not new, but it's the same idea. Kit form to be built by the customer. We have a beautiful. I go quickly because there is so many models. We have a very beautiful Chevy Bel Air. It seems to be very popular already, and quite brand new idea to bring that kind of old style American car. So it was a challenge to start with it, but it seems to be very, very accepted by the market.
And next to it is
another the Datsun 240Z, the Fair Lady, and an old Nissan Skyline. This vintage car on modern chassis, on very powerful chassis. It seems to be something that the market loves. So we are very happy with it. So the Mini Z, it's start in 1999, so it's already almost 25 years history. Okay, with many models, very popular all over the world. In Asia, in Europe, in the States. So every 2-3 months we have some new body shells. The chassis itself could evolve every 2-3 years. But body shell, this year we have an interesting neo-retro Honda made in cooperation with Honda, which is interesting because it's very different to what we used to have, like modern GT car or nice Japanese street cars like Subaru, Supra, Mitsubishi, as always. The Mini Z 4x4 range is also kind of this year again some very new livery, a new Defender, Land Rover Defender, Suzuki Jimmy Apio, so a very special edition, or like a Jeep, a Wrangler, very nice looking with wider tires and so on. So Mini Z is a word in itself, okay? Another new product, very different that we forgot on that side, is a new buggy, the new MP10E buggy. So this is a racing buggy, the very last version of the popular MP10. This is a car definitely dedicated to win some races, including, if possible, a European Championship, World Championship, whatever.
And that's a good start for a car.
Yeah, it's a great product for us. This is a Mini Z 4x4 that we saw in the window with a nice display, so we can race. And the last product I would like to show to you is Madwagon. Madwagon is a bashing product. This is made for bashers, just to make big jump, try to crash it, to kill it, if you can.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Thank you, sir.